Alright, so you've probably seen those ads for HepatoBurn popping up everywhere, right? They promise to melt away stubborn belly fat by supporting your liver. Sounds a little too good to be true? I thought so too. That's why I decided to actually try it out myself and give you the real, unfiltered scoop. Let's start with what HepatoBurn actually is. It's a supplement that claims to help your body burn fat by boosting liver function. The idea is, if your liver is working better, your metabolism speeds up, and your body can finally let go of that stubborn fat, especially around your midsection. The ingredients list looks pretty clean. Milk thistle artichoke extract, dandelion root, a few other herbs. Nothing too crazy or chemical sounding, which I liked. So I took HepatoBurn every day for about 6 weeks. Here's what really happened. First off, I didn't feel jittery or weird, which is a big plus compared to some fat burners out there. And I noticed my digestion felt a bit smoother, less bloating after meals, which was honestly a nice surprise. But let's talk about the big question. Did I actually lose belly fat? After about 2 weeks, I started to notice my jeans fitting a little looser. Not a miracle transformation, but enough to make me double-check in the mirror. By the end of 6 weeks, I'd lost about 7 pounds, most of it from my midsection. Now, I was also making an effort to eat better, walk every day, so I can't say it was all HepatoBurn. But I do think it gave me a little extra edge, especially with the bloating and cravings. Here's the bottom line. HepatoBurn isn't a magic pill. If you expect to take it and wake up with a six-pack, you'll be disappointed. But if you're already making healthy changes and want some extra support, especially with digestion and stubborn belly fat, it might be worth a shot. Just remember, everyone's body is different, and what worked for me might not work the same for you. If you're thinking about trying it, talk to your doctor first, especially if you have any health conditions. And don't forget, real results come from real changes. Supplements can help, but they're not the whole answer. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you've tried HepatoBurn or have questions. Thanks for watching.